Alright guys, some of this footage is super freaking old. You guys will probably already tell by David's wheels and a bunch of other things too. But it's an old video, but I just want to let you guys know before the video starts. But yeah, hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Let's go.
We are here, guys, at David's house. What's up, David? What's going on, buddy? Why are you mad? So we got the cameras on him. Guys, something's wrong with David's car. In the last video, David did some donuts. I don't think I put the clip in, but his car started leaking oil. We're trying to figure out where.
We're not trying to figure out where because we don't know where.
We don't know where it's leaking, but he's gonna have to take it to the shop realistically because something's wrong with it. Why is something always wrong with David's car? Check, brother. New engine? Where is it leaking from, bro? Oh, it's leaking oil. Look, you can see right there. Oh, that's a lot of oil, David. Thinking. They were thinking it's just the oil cooler. So you probably have to replace the oil cooler, maybe. I don't know. But
it's like you hit the bottom of the fucking car hard.
That's what.
You maybe did hit the bottom of the car. Maybe when you broke the lip on something. Or maybe you're just oil filters leaking. That happened to my GTR once. And I just changed the filter and then it fixed. But I don't know. We're gonna have to take it to a shop. You see the leak? Where's it leaking from? No way you can see.
It's not leaking like crazy like that, but of course over time it is dropping.
Why you got your hat like that, buddy? Why you got your hat like that? This is the new wave? Bro, I swear, you guys gotta start rocking your hat like this. Alright, but
over here, bro.
Where? Oh, this food did hit something hard, I
He
think.
hit something, bro. Look at the whole pan in the, not the pan, but the
whole panel.
From the bottom is broken.
Yeah, this whole plastic piece is broken, guys. So he must have hit something, and I think it's leaking from right here.
Hey, you fucking drove it last.
I did not drive it last, bro. Hell no. Here is the leak, as you guys can tell. I think it is the oil cooler, and that's just leaking right there. Yeah, it's probably like a good $500, but he's gonna have to take it to a shop realistically to get this fixed. But it is leaking a little bit of oil, so we're gonna have to top it off right now. Drove it home like about an hour, and we kept checking the oil level, like we had it on the screen, and it wasn't leaking that bad. Like it was still in the middle, so like it's barely dripping. This car's been sitting for a couple of days, and it's barely dripping, so it's not a bad leak, but it definitely needs to get fixed.
You guys are gonna see the 2023 Bumblebee's coming out, baby. You're gonna see a fat
The
tire.
fuck up, bitch.
You said Bumblebee, bro. That's what you call this car right now.
You're gonna see a fucking. We're gonna do a remake of Transformers. Bumblebee.
Bro, David's car is a mess, bro. Should we expose him or no? The back seat's clean because no one goes back there, but I don't know about up here, buddy.
What are you talking about, bro? Oh, that's I think that's either pineapple or mango or something.
That's pineapple?
Bro, my car to work because I would hear.
Oh shit, it's just knocking. We all look like we just woke up, bro.
Not me.
We technically did just wake up. Like, I just threw my sweats on.
Hop about my bed, turn my swag on.
So anyways, this car is pretty messed up. So we're gonna run a little diagnostic thing. I got my shooter here with me. You guys remember Carly? We did this on this car last time. There's a little app on your phone that you can plug into the car. You plug it into the OBD thing, and you can run like a diagnostic. You see what's wrong with the car, everything that's wrong with the car. You can also do a bunch of little cool features with this thing. Last time we like updated the software where like when he locks the car, the mirrors fold in. You can do cool stuff like that, or like roll down the windows with your remote. A bunch of cool stuff we can do with this app. We're gonna run the diagnostics, and then we're also gonna clear. I'm gonna try to clear his little TPMS sensor.
You gotta clean that dirty boo-boos thing.
I know, but he has a little TPMS sensor. It's from his wheel.
No, bro, I can't take it serious. Clean that shit off.
Bro,
I can't do it. Hold on, clean it.
so he has a TPMS sensor.
I can't record it, bro. Clean it. Hey, but get a napkin. Clean that shit.
Bro! And he also has a TPMS sensor right here. It's from his new wheels because he didn't put the new sensors in. So we're going to try to clear that because that little light is annoying for him and he hates it. So we're going to get rid of that light and we're also going to run a diagnostic and see what's wrong with this car. Plug this into the little OBD thing.
Hey, bro, this shit isn't working.
So you plug that thing in there and then you download the Carly app on your phone right here. It's going to show his car looks. It's pretty sick, bro. So now you are ready to diagnose. So we're gonna do a diagnostics, and you check for issues. Like it's gonna check all the issues. It's about to say 100 issues. It has 7 fault codes found.
See, only 7, you guys.
This app, it shows you all the issues. It says 7 issues right here, It shows it's M3. Right here says engine issues. 5 engine issues, bro. An exhaust flap. So it's not really the engine, but it's just the exhaust flap is messed up. It shows you like really bad stuff and not so bad stuff.
What's the worst stuff?
This one react immediately, and the exhaust flap is messed up. You can click it and it'll show you exact, it'll take you to Google and show you the exact code, and you can look it up what's wrong with it. And you can even do this where it says enter smart mechanic. The app has like a mechanic built into the app, so you don't really need to take your car to the shop. Look, it tells you the fault code, it tells you the code, exhaust flap, potential consequences, everything, bro. It literally tells you everything that's wrong with the car and how you can fix it. So it's pretty sick. This app is crazy. I also got rid of the light already. Look, the light's gone. That's pretty sick. You like the light there? Well, the light's gone, so now his dash is clean. That shit is just the brake light. Look, now he has no lights at all. Literally 0 lights on the dash. You want to check engine light? I could add it on there. And that is it, guys. You can take this home, you can keep it in your car, whatever. It's super small. It's sick that it's like Bluetooth to your phone. And look, his code is gone, or the little light is gone that we wanted to get rid of. Last time we also got rid of the seatbelt chime. You know how like when you're driving with no seatbelt, it chimes? You can even get rid of that. So there's so many little like things you can do with this app. Most importantly, you can diagnose it and see what's wrong with your car and check all the issues. So yeah, I definitely recommend it. If you guys want to grab one of these, I'm gonna leave the link down below. It's the first link in the description. If you got a BMW, I think, or any European car, you can get one of these. So go grab them right now. I'll leave the link down below. All right, guys. A little time has passed, but we're about to get the GTR washed. This thing has not been washed in I don't know how long. It doesn't look that dirty right now because the sun isn't directly hitting it, but we're also trying to hurry up before the sun goes down. Again, daylight savings, bro, so it's getting dark at like 4. Anyways, you guys can tell right here though. Look how dirty the GTR is. This might be the dirtiest the GTR has ever been. I always say that, but this actually might be the worst it's ever been. That's literally a layer of dirt on the whole wrap, bro. The actual color doesn't even like shine right now. It's not even popping because it's so dirty. Look at that. This is disgusting, bro. I should have never let my GTR get this dirty. But we're gonna wash it right now. Oh my god, dude, this shit looks beat up. It looks abandoned, bro. It looks like a cat has been walking on my car and jumping off of it. This daily driven GTR. Anyways, we're gonna try to wash it real quick before the sun goes down. Even though it's pretty much down already, there's no sun. We're gonna try to hurry up before there's no more daylight. So let's wash it real quick. Alright guys, we are done washing it. Now David's just drying the car. I don't know how we did that in the pitch black, but it actually came out pretty good. You can tell, look, the wheels are finally black. The car is actually colorful now. Look, it looks so clean. Woo! This is super clean, bro. This color looks really, really good when it's clean, bro. Like crazy. Look at that. I love the brakes. I love how we color match the brakes to the wrap. That's just sick. It's really spot on too. We're about to dry it and we'll see what we get into tonight. I don't know what we're gonna do, but maybe find some car stuff to do. So I haven't mentioned this in a video in a while, but we still do mobile detailing. We just took a little break, right, David?
We're tired already.
We just got a little busy, but we are back to detailing, guys. So if anyone needs a wash in the IE, OC, LA area, we go everywhere. So David will pull up, wash your car, and we'll do it in the daytime, so we'll actually be able to see your car. All the equipment that we need, and we do mobile detailing. We pull up to anywhere you want, your work, your house, and wash your car for you. Trust me, it's the best, guys. I hate washing my own car. That's why David comes and helps me out. Look at this, guys. It's all clean now. Bro, David was like, I've never seen your car this clean in a long time, bro. I haven't seen your car this clean in a long
That
time.
shit pops out.
Look how clean the wheels and the tires are. Oh, dude, I love tire shine. A lot of people don't like it, but I love it.
Wait, I honestly like it when it sits on. Like right now, it's still a little too shiny. But
I like it shiny, bro. I don't know why. I'm just a big fan of tire shine.
It sits in and then, I don't know, to me it looks
On
weird.
drag racing wheels. But look, the interior is clean. exterior is clean. Bro, it's so much better having the nice car. Clean
It makes
car.
you want like want to drive the car.
I know. Yeah, guys, it looks super freaking clean. I don't know what we're gonna get into tonight, but we'll see.
That's crazy, bro. It's really 5:30 and look at it.
I know. I hate this daylight savings things, guys. Like,
It
literally makes it feel like the night's over already.
Who wants to buy a dirt bike? Hit him up, 6K.
Yeah, who wants the dirt bike? Who wants the Z? I'm selling everything at this point, bro. Even a GTR. Bro, I honestly want to start fresh, guys. Like, I'm not lying. Like, I want to sell the Z. I want to sell the GTR. I don't want to sell the E46, but if someone has a good offer for that too. I don't want to sell the dirt bike, but if someone has a good offer for that, like, I don't want to sell all these things, but
How much you sell the E46?
I don't know how much I would sell the E46 for. Like, I don't even know how to, like, quote it. Like, I don't know, bro. I don't know how much that car's worth. I've been thinking, like, I kind of want to just sell everything. Like, sell the dirt bike, I don't use it. Sell the Z, I don't use it. Sell the GTR, sell the E46, and then just get a Lambo.
And that?
And sell the van. The work van. But nah, like, imagine we sold everything and just restarted the whole new garage setup, like 2 new cars or something. It wouldn't be a bad idea.
Or
He can't get the tape off his phone.
or you could keep all of them and just keep all of them. Give them back to
Oh yeah? You gonna help me? Can I take a loan out?
I might sip out this bottle until it get hollow. Shit, I might sip out this bottle, just drowning my sorrows. Drowning my sorrows, be better tomorrow. Cause these broken dreams is as hard as it gets. My nigga died at only 25. I'm thanking God for letting me see in 26.